lover, this is Heather from sisterwigs.com, and this is a review of the Maximum Impact wig from Raquel Welch in the color Rusty Auburn, otherwise known as RL30/27. This is the longer sister to the editor's pick. So she isn't quite as curly, isn't quite as layered, and is a little bit longer. It's a really pretty style. It isn't quite as voluminous as the editor's pick, so if you like that one and you are interested in it, but you don't know if you can pull off all the layering and volume on that style, this is a really nice alternative. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Maximum Impact looks like on all sides, and then I'll give you some more details. I love what Raquel Welch does with their lace fronts, where they put that lighter highlight color on the front that really helps those knots disappear. The front on this is very becoming. It's very soft, very feminine. This is a beautiful, classic feminine style. I will say I wish that it weren't heat-friendly synthetic. This is a true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic fiber wig. Heat-friendly synthetics, particularly ones that are, shoulder length or longer, tend to tangle a lot, so that's going to be a persistent issue with a wig of this length. Maybe not as much as something like Spotlight or Spotlight Elite, which is also a true-to-life fiber style and is substantially longer. It falls on my mid-back. This one will, however, still have tangling issues because heat-friendly fiber just tends to tangle more. I like the curl pattern on this. Though, because it's heat friendly, you can totally change the curl pattern. You just want to make sure that you're aware of the fact that if you change the curl, you have to put another curl in it to get this texture back. So if you don't know how to style the hair, just kind of leave it if you like the curl the way it is. Beautiful styling here. And you can see that even the longest layer in the back hits below the shoulders, which means that the profile on this is going to be much sleeker than something that's got a lot of choppy layering all over the top. There is a little bit of permatease up here at the crown on Maximum Impact, and it's right back here. It has a monofilament top and that lace front I talked about. It's got a seam between the two. We've got open wefts on the side and in the back, as well as an extended felt nape. There are the Velcro adjusters. Beautiful style. I don't really want to do much to disrupt this one. And I don't want to mess up the front, but I do want to show you the monofilament, so I'm going to change the part just so I can straighten it out a little bit for you, because this sample came with a zigzag, but they don't always come with a zigzag. There you go. So that's actually a pretty densely threaded top there. I love the front on this. It's just, the styling of it is very classic, very feminine, very pretty, without being too poofy, voluminous, or overwhelming. This is a beautiful style. Like I said, the only thing I wish is that it were not in heat-friendly synthetic, but for some people it's going to be a real plus, particularly if you enjoy styling your hair. I'm Heather from sisterwigs.com, that's CYSTERWIGS.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully you subscribe so that way you don't miss any of them. We try to hit on all sorts of products and styles. If there's something you would like us to do a video of, make sure you leave a comment about that so that way we can kind of think about whether or not that would be a good thing and other people might be interested in. But if it's not something we carry, we're probably not going to review it. If there's something we have overlooked, in your opinion, that you would like us to look into, please make sure to let us know and we'll see what we can do. No promises though, because honestly, a lot of people tend to request the exact same styles over and over again. They just want to see it in basically every color under the sun. And yeah, and ain't nobody got time for that. So sorry, I wish I could, but honestly, I got a store to run and I do like hundreds of these things every year. And even doing over 100, 200, 300, I mean, I've got 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel right now. So no matter how many of these I do in a given year or how consistently I do them, I'm never going to be able to touch on every single wig in every single color. So that's why we can't honor necessarily those requests if it's a product or style we've already tried before. But if there's something that we've overlooked, I'd be very interested in hearing what that might be. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.